Yeah, I have no idea where I was going with that, but this is Rager here, and it is time to get Lollipop Chainsaw, basically. So we're gonna go get it. We got people driving by. I think they're talking because they think I'm funny because I'm talking to myself on a goddamn Bob. But we're gonna go drive there right now. Actually, it's kind of dark in here, but whatever. I'm pretty excited about the game. So I will talk to you guys when I'm doing the slow motion. My fucking phone's going off. It must be Jessica Nigrai. I'll be right back. Hold on. Jesus! 1% is huge, and that's how much you can save when you put a there instead of a bank.
Remember the dream? I haven't.
Train! Damn it! What is this bullshit? Fuck! Fucking trains! Oh my god, look at this fucking train. Can't believe there's a fucking train and I'm trying to go play Lollipop Chainsaw. I actually got the game. It's right here. Look at this. Oh, yeah. I got a Monster Energy drink with it, too. So, Lollipop Chainsaw. Got from Best Buy, which I probably paid more for it there. So, whatever. As long as I'm supporting Jessica Nigri, you know, I said her name wrong before. Nigri. It's not Nigri. It's Nigri. Get my energy drink. Game. Train. Game. Drink. Train! Fuck!
Oh, hey Rager, how's it going? I wish you could play me, but there's something out there that's being a little bitch boy to you and is making you wait to play me. So, I'm just gonna be a figment of your imagination, and you're gonna go to the psycho ward probably because you're fucking insane. You're talking to a fucking box right now. Anyways, dinner and movie sometime? Yeah, dinner and movie. Okay. By the way, how's that train looking outside? Is that train gonna pass by anytime soon?
No! What the fuck? There's 2 trains! There's fucking 2 trains! Fuck my life. Jessica, save me. Please. Save me! By the way, this is like 30 minutes later. Yeah. I'm already go kill someone. I'm about to go fucking insane! Yes! It's the end of the train! Woo! Alright, it's about fucking time. Now I can play some Lollipop Chainsaw Monster Energy Drink with Jägermeister. Whoop whoop. Alright, I'm officially back and I got the fucking game right here. I waited for like an hour-long train in the process, but whatever. Trains go fuck themselves, by the way, because they're so fucking long. There should be some kind of limit. You don't have to wait for 30 minutes a goddamn train to cross its tracks. It should be illegal. God. Anyways, people got shit to do. We got games to play, like Lollipop Chainsaw. And how are we supposed to play our games when we're waiting in line for a train for an hour? So anyways, let's go inside. Let's go pop this shit in. Yeah, buddy. Let's do it. Woo! La la. Ooh. Look at all my beer cans, pop cans, rum and coke. Yeah, buddy. Hey, what's up, cat? Look what I got. Look at this. Look at this. What do you think about that, huh? What do you think about that? Are you more interested in the energy drink? The fuck? Jessica's gonna be pissed. You're her favorite cat and you just made her mad. You like this better? Yeah, he likes alcohol too. There's another cat. You better run away. Run away. Run. Here's my messy computer room, office space. And let's pop the shit in and see how it is. I got my mic right here. It's gonna sound pretty good. A lot better than this mic and this camera. So, there's my Xbox. We're gonna pop the shit in. Let's do it. Yeah.